Hi, how are you? And I hope all of you are okay because you try out all my recipes, isn't it? If you try out all my recipes, you will know how you feel about it. And you don't have to go out and have a meal once in a way. You can make your own preparation and be happy, and you can enjoy with your whole family trying out new preparation. So, I'm going to show you now sardine, that is savory sardine special. So, we will see what that savory sardine special is going to be like. Now, what I am going to do is, I have got the sardine. Sardine I have removed, bones and everything, and the skin also I have removed. Now, what I am going to do is corn flour. See, I am using corn flour into the bowl. About 2 to 3 dessert spoons of corn flour. Then I need normal flour. 1, 2, 3. That also I will just put a little pepper. You can use a little turmeric. And if you want a little chili pieces. All that I have put and mixed it. I'll use 1 egg here. Mix it. A little water I have kept. That's fine. I don't need the flour now. We'll put it away. Boil the water nicely. When the water is boiling only, I'm going to do a small thing. Okay? Before it boils, you can't. Now you can fry if you want to, but I don't like to fry this. This is something different to the normal preparation. So we will see how this is prepared. I want to just test it to see. That should not dissolve. That should not melt. So till then you boil the water. I'll take this salmon, put it into the batter. Now only it's boiling. How it gets boiled. Can you see that? It has a different look altogether. Now see how it comes. Salmon, it doesn't have to get cooked for a long time, but what I have done here, I have put a batter and we didn't deep fry, we boiled it. That's something different to the normal preparation. Now we will take all this, put it away, and then we will start our preparation. Now we have done the salmon in batter, boiled it. Okay, we have kept this aside. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to do a little bit of work here. Oil. A dessert spoon of oil I have taken. So if I take a dessert spoon of oil, onions, shredded onions. Shred the onions and use it. Curry leaves. If I just break it up, I will get the flavor. Otherwise, full curry leaves, I won't get the flavor. Now what I am going to do is cashew nuts. See the ingredients I am using. A few cashew nuts, dates, about 5 or 6 dates, stoned dates I am using. Chutney, any chutney you like, that is if you like only, you can use this chutney. Mango chutney, umbrella chutney, any chutney that you like you can use. That also I have put it. Now what I am going to do is, I put a little salt at the beginning just to get the onions tempered. Now I am adding a little pepper and tomatoes. That is, I have used a little pepper and a little salt. Now I use a little turmeric, which is very important. Chili pieces, not chili powder, chili pieces only I have used. I'll off this for a while. Take the milk. First I will add a little milk. Either fresh milk, half a cup, fresh milk half a cup, or coconut milk half a cup. Just a little, just a wee bit of corn flour I am putting, and a little butter. Half only I put, other half now I am using. Cook this. Boiling. Only thing I am going to do is, I am going to just keep it like that for a while. Okay. I'll leave it like that. My other pan we will take, melt the butter. So I need a little butter, a dessert spoon of butter I have taken. There is noodles. You know normally what we have to do with the noodles. Put it into a pan, pour boiling water, cover and keep at least for 3 minutes. Take off, strain, wash very well, wash it nicely. Otherwise, if you don't wash it, what will happen? There will be starch in it. Just warming it up. I will use a little salt, chili pieces. Now I have an egg. Put that egg in the middle. Stir fry. It's a different type of preparation I am doing. I hope you will enjoy preparing this also, because now what I thought was I'm going to use a little mint. Right. I have put an egg. I put butter and oil, pepper, salt, and a little bit of chili pieces I have put. Now all this we have done. Now what am I going to do? I'll dish it out. I have already told you all, when I dish it out straight from the cooker, keep a spoon, otherwise this will start cracking. You wouldn't have thought I am going to do with noodles. Yes. Why am I doing with noodles? Spread it out nicely. See, what am I going to do? This goes on top. I thought we can't eat with plain noodles, no. So we have a nice combination. Chutney, dates, cashew nuts, what not we have it here. All that goes into this. Oh, lovely preparation. Do you think it's lovely? Preparation of this, which you will really, really like to taste. I want this to be shown. I have used mint also. So the decoration is only mint. My preparation of this Savory Sardine special. And we have got the noodles also. So I hope you will enjoy preparing this with the noodles or whatever you like. I can even use with rice, noodles, or this preparation that I have done here. You can have it. I have done the savory sardine special. One more thing I will love to put, that is cheese, because of the noodles. Noodles and all we have done. Noodles are there at the bottom. So I thought I will put a little cheese on top. Try it out and see how it comes. Because all this I love to show you in my version, and I hope you will also enjoy, because something different to the normal preparation. It's a little sweet and sour and everything is there. So try it out and see, and I hope you will enjoy, and I will come back with another episode very soon. Till then, bye from me now.